Hi, in this video we are going to talk about reversing an array problem. We are given an array, we need to reverse elements of it. We need to modify the same array. Let's say our array is 10, 5, 7, 30. We need to change this array to 30, 7, 5, 10. So the last element came first, second last element came second, third last element came third, fourth last element came the fourth. Similarly here, this is our array and this is our reversed array. Now please pause this video and try to write down a solution yourself. Let us talk about the solution to reverse an array. The idea is to maintain two index variables. One index variable low that is initialized to have index of the first element. Other index variable high which is initialized to have index of the last element. What we do is, we simply swap the elements at these two indexes. After swapping the elements, we move these indexes one position close to each other. So this is where we swap the array low and high. We simply swap the array low and high here. After swapping, we move low one position ahead and high one position before. So let's see how does this work. 10 and 30 are swapped. So we have 30, 5, 7 and 10. And low is moved here and high is moved here. We again swap because low and high, they have not crossed each other or they have not met. Low is still smaller than high. So what do we get? We get 30, 7, 5. Then we have 10. And after swapping, we do low plus plus. So low comes here and high comes here. If you want to know the values, low was initially 0, high was 3. After first iteration, low became 1 and high became 2. After the next iteration, it became 1 and this became 2. So now low is actually greater than high. They have crossed each other. At this point, we stop. We come out of the loop because this condition is no more true. And we get our reversed array. This is what we expected as an output. 37, 5, 10. Let us do a dry run for an example where we have odd number of elements. We have 5 elements. Low is 0 and high is 4. Index of last element. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we do is, we swap array low and array high, so we get 10 and 30 here. And after swapping, we move low one position ahead and high one position before. So low comes here, it becomes 1 and high comes here, it becomes 3. We again swap because low is still smaller than high. So what do we get after swapping? We get 5, 6, 7 and 30. So we have swapped array low and array high. And what are our new low and high? Low comes here. Low plus plus. High minus minus. High also comes here. So low is equal to high is equal to 2. They both are having index of the same element. Now we again check for this condition. And this condition this times becomes false because low and high, they both have value 2. Low is not smaller than high. So we stop and we have reversed the array. You can see that our array, which was initially 30, 7, 6, 5, 10, has now been changed to 10, 5, 6, 7, 30. This is our expected output. So we reversed the array in this code. What is the time complexity of the solution? This loop will run almost n by 2 times if you have n elements in the array. If there are 4 elements in the array, then this loop will run 2 times. If there are 5 elements, then also this loop is going to run 2 times. Because in that case, they both will meet here. And we just saw that. After 2 iterations, we stopped. So we run almost n by 2 times and time complexity therefore is theta n. And how much auxiliary space this solution requires? If we leave the input array, other than input array, we need few extra variables, low, high, temp. So it needs theta 1 extra space, constant extra space.